Hey everyone, coming to you from the darkroom. I just wanted to give you guys a little information about the next step to make a positive print in the darkroom. So we made our photograms the last couple of classes, so I want you to watch this video and fill in the questions on the worksheet that explain how to make a contact print, which turns your negative into a positive. So first of all, I want you to remember how our timer works. So looking at the timer, you can see it has the time focus switch on the left side and the on-off switch on the right side. So we always want to make sure our timer is off whenever we are about to set the time, and this is. So for this contact print, 12 seconds has been pretty good for it, so I'm going to go ahead and set my timer to 12 seconds. As always, we need to get a piece of photo paper and as well as our negative to create this print. So we'll walk over here to our box. Of course, the lights will be off, and we'll get a piece of paper, which I have one on the side here, which is no longer good, so we would not use this, but you need this. Also, we need to get a photogram negative, so I'm gonna go, we'll walk out and grab one of you guys for an example through the door. We'll use CJ's today. So, go back in. Of course, normally our lights are off, but we are going to do this with the lights on so you can see. So, timer is set. Now we have this device here. It's this piece of glass that has a little piece of foam, and it opens up like this. This is called a contact printing frame. The contact printing frame is what basically presses the two pieces of photo paper together to make the negative into a positive. So what we'll do is we'll open our contact printing frame. We put our photo paper in emulsion side up. We learned about this last time, so you want the shiny side to face up. In this case, it looks blue, but that's because that's what happens to the emulsion whenever it's exposed to light for a prolonged period of time. If we were to put it in the first bath over here, the developer, we would have a completely black piece of paper. And just know that your paper is going to match the negative side. So this is a little bit big, but anyway, so you put your paper in the contact printing frame, emulsion side up. You put your negative facing down so that the two emulsion sides are in contact with one another. That's why we call it a contact print. Then we will shut the contact printing frame, and we are ready to expose our print. So just like we did to make the photograms, we will turn the timer on. As you can see, the light is coming out. It's gonna shine down and shine through our paper and onto the new paper. What happens is the light easily goes through the paper in the areas that are white, and it does not go through the paper where the areas are black. So what happens is the areas where the light went through that were white now turn black, and that's what makes an inverse image to make a positive. So once it turns off, as always, we always turn our timer off. You open up your contact printing frame and take your negative off. Just set it aside because you don't need to do anything with that. And then take your new positive paper over to our sink and develop it, and that will create a positive. As always, you will follow the same rules at the sink with the developer, stop bath and fixer and rinse. Once you're done, you can take it out, let it dry, and we're going to affix these into our books. And that's pretty much all you have to do to make a contact print. I hope you found this information helpful and can use this to complete our worksheet for the day. And next class when we meet, we will make our contact prints in the darkroom. Till next time, see you later.